In terms of herbal medicines, these are not really recommended as we do not know how much estrogen are in any of these medicines. For example, you've got St. John's wort, which are thought to help with mood swings and hot flushes. You've got red clover, and which can also be found as a 40 milligram supplements in pharmacies and are thought to help with skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis, blood pressure, joint pains and other symptoms. You've also got black cohosh, which helps with hot flushes, night sweats, palpitations, poor sleep. However, it's commonly known to cause liver failure and vaginal bleeding. So one has to be very careful with herbal medicines because no one knows the long-term benefits, because the only evidence is for short-term benefits. There has been no evidence that if these medicines are taken for more than 12 months, they will continue to help with menopause. Also, there are issues regarding the safety and efficacy of these products. No one actually knows the amount of estrogen that they contain, so there is also increased risk of breast cancer, DVTs and strokes. And you also have to buy from a recommended shop because you don't know if what you're buying has got the good purity, quality and consistency of what you need. If also you're on prescribed medication, you would obviously need to discuss with your GP or the pharmacist before taking any herbal remedies because you do not know what interaction you'd have with these medicines. For example, if you're taking a blood thinner such as warfarin, it's advised not to take St. John's wort because this can increase your risk of bleeding. So I hope you found this quite useful. Feel free to check out my other videos on menopause and feel free to share. And please drop some comments below if you have any questions.